Okay, well today, okay, for our video, ignore the fruit cup on the side. We're gonna open some comics, some random comics that I got from one of the little comic stores over here that you can't see the name from it, I swear. Anyways, we're gonna open these and we're gonna see, because it says there's a chance of a vintage, okay, yeah. We're gonna see what we get, yeah. So I'll pull the first one out, and I got this. What is
a bubble?
It's something about, I don't know, space. Okay.
First read Kratos.
There's a bubble on it. Okay. And the next one. I don't know what this is. Something warrior.
This looks like a
Look, it's got
Chihuahua.
the Mortal Kombat thing on the back.
This looks like a messed up Chihuahua.
It does. My mutated Chihuahua in the back. Okay. And then let's see what else I got. These are little mystery ones. Jennifer Blood. Okay, this.
When you have your Stop.
I mean, geez, Louise. And then this one is Nowhere Man.
Billy, is that you?
Okay. This one is Rain. Oh my! Oh,
Keep the sides. You might have to blur out a little if that opens up. Jesus. Wait, what is that? That's not DC.
I don't know. This one,
That one looks pretty
Annihilator.
Nice. It's pretty
This
cool.
is kind of nice. And then we got. I don't know what this is. IX Generation. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to blow the butt. I'm gonna have to blow the butt. That's too much butt.
It's just the side.
Look, it's the X-Files.
No, Mom, is really?
Yeah, look, it says the X-Files season 10. To cover up the butt that's not supposed to be shown.
Poor Jimmy. Never saw his mama again. Is that mama?
There's The Movement. I don't know what this is about. Probably superheroes and stuff. Walmart. On the back, you know, advertise the Walmart. That's fine. Then there's Ultimate Comics, The Ultimates. Okay, I don't know. And then some weird stuff on the back. I know. Sludge. Doesn't like that bag. Let's see, we're almost done with the comics. What is this one?
Oh my god, don't turn it around.
It says Warlord of Why?
There's more butt.
Okay, I can't turn this one around because there's not appropriate stuff on the back. There's a few more. This is Welcome to Tranquility. It's like, it looks like some zombie
Don't
stuff.
do it. I'm just kidding.
You gotta tell me if there really is something there, because that's gonna be bad.
No.
Oh, this one's shiny in the front. Look,
Oh, that's nice.
Dinosaur Hunter. Not that bad. That one looks kind of. I like this one. That one
I
looks
thought it
kinda,
was sticker.
I know, and this is the last
That's a
one.
pop-up.
This is here. Pull the bag really quick. And the last one is.
Semi-ungendered.
Is there anything on the back?
Just Bam.
So these are my comics. I didn't even count how many it was, if it was the 15 or more, but these are the ones I got. So, you know, I'm gonna pick out which one I thought was the nicest, and then we'll be back on that part. Anyway, so yeah, I'd have to say this is the nicest one because it's super shiny.
Is that a tire?
Yeah, he's in a car. I think this is the nicest one. I don't know. This is the one I like the most, but you guys like these kind of videos, you know, of us collecting random stuff like this. We will make another one soon. But yeah.
Collecting Sparrows.
We're not going to collect Subarus up right here. But yeah, I'm going to put these back in here. But thanks for watching our video. And, you know, we'll try to put up more videos of our collections later. Still looks so nice and shiny.